Winter melon benefits. Why this cooling fruit is a hidden health gem.
Winter melon benefits. Why this cooling fruit is a hidden health gem. Ethel, Allera here. Join me guys up until the end and let's all find out. Let's go guys! Did you know that this mild tasting melon can help detox your body, improve digestion, and even support weight loss? I'm talking about winter melon, also known as Gourd. Stay tuned and discover why this humble vegetable deserves a place in your daily diet. Here are 8 health benefits of winter melon.
Natural body cooler.
The top 1 health benefit of winter melon: natural body cooler. Winter melon has a high water content that cools your system, especially helpful during hot days.
Detoxifies the body.
The second health benefit of winter melon: detoxifies the body. Acts as a natural diuretic, flushing out toxins through urine.
Supports weight loss.
The third benefit of winter melon: supports weight loss, low in calories and high in fiber. It keeps you full longer. Take note.
Improves digestion.
The fourth benefit of winter melon: improves digestion. Its fiber helps prevent constipation and aids in a healthy gut.
Controls blood sugar.
The fifth health benefit of winter melon: controls blood sugar. May help regulate blood sugar levels, making it good for diabetics.
Boosts immunity.
The sixth health benefit of winter melon: boosts immunity. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants.
Heart-friendly.
The seventh health benefit of winter melon: heart-friendly. Contains potassium that helps in managing blood pressure.
Good for skin health.
The eighth health benefit of winter melon: good for skin health. It's hydrating nature and nutrients help maintain skin glow. You never tried winter melon? Now's the perfect time to add it to your meals. Simple, affordable, and packed with benefits. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more health tips You can eat it in soups, teas, or even a juice for a refreshing health boost. Winter melon, also known as the ash gourd or white gourd, is a large fruit native to Southeast Asia. Despite its name, it is typically harvested in late summer or early autumn. The fruit has mild taste and thick, waxy outside skin that can range from dark green to white when mature. Inside, the flesh is white, crisp, and moist, making it a versatile ingredient in various culinary dishes. Winter melon is often used in Asian cuisine, particularly in soups, stews, and desserts. Its subtle flavor allows it to absorb the spices and flavors of the dishes it is cooked with. Additionally, winter melon is valued for its health benefits, including being low in calories and high in fiber, which makes it ideal for a balanced diet. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel Allera here is signing off.